Example 4. What current in amperes will deposit 2.7 gram of aluminium in 2 hours? This one is aluminium. Aluminium is a metal. So it should be reaction at the cathode. Aluminium. So all these ones plus 3E deposited aluminium solid. What the equation for reaction? If you know chemistry very well, aluminium will always liberate 3 electrons. And that 3 electrons equals 3 Faradays. So from that question now, Q equals I T. What is our I? I is not given. It is what we are required to find. What current in ampere? So it should be I multiplied by time is 2 hours. 2 hours. How do we convert it to seconds? 60 times 60 multiplied by 2. I guess you understand that. This 60 is for 1 hour, 60 and 9 multiplied by 2. So this thing will give us 60 times 60 is 360 I. All included. That's our Q. Watch it again. This is for 60 times 60 then multiplied by the 2 hours you are required to do. It's a simple conversion. Now, remember that 1 mole of aluminium deposited 3 Faraday of electricity, and 1 mole of every element equals the relative atomic mass. If it is a gas, 1 mole of every gas will always be equal to the molar volume of a gas. Molar volume of a gas is simply 22.4 dm cube or 22,400 cm cube if you're talking about cm cube. So, but if it is an element, if it is just a metal, it will always liberate the relative atomic mass. That of aluminium is 27 gram liberated 3 times 96500 coulomb. Don't forget, 1 Faraday equals 96500. So now, remember they asked us what current. It then means that you understand the simple calculation there. But remember that they gave 2.7 grams. What current in amperes will deposit 2.7 grams? It then means that 2.7 grams will deposit X. I have always told you simple proportion. Let the grams, let the mass be one side. Let the coulomb be one side. So if it is a GM cube, let all of them be one side and let coulomb be one side. Just as example 3. What do? We cross multiply. Simple proportion. We cross multiply. When more, multiply. When less, divide. So this thing now becomes x equals 2.7 times 3 times 96500 all divided by 27. Just put diagram so that you know which one is cancelling which. Divided by that. Let's press our calculator very well to see. The calculator has helped us when you multiply this thing very well using your own calculator. You see that this time this will give us this. This time, I always like doing this thing step by step. I don't want getting the whole answer at once so that we know what we are doing. This, I get the numerator, get the denominator now, make my proper division. So this thing gives us this. Don't forget that now 2.7 grams of aluminium deposited 2895C5 what coulombs. It then means that remember we are required to find the current. How to get the current now? You equate this one with this one because both of them are in coulomb. 3600I equals 28950. So how do you get the I now? Divide both sides by 360. 300 600. This thing now equals 28950. 50 divided by 3600. That is a simple arithmetic. Let's press our calculator very well to see what it will give us. When you do your division very well, you see that when you divide this thing by this, it will give you 8.04 amperes. I just approximated it to 8 amperes. That is the current. That is the current that will deposit this. So happy watching. If you have any question, I am always dropping my WhatsApp number below the comment section. Go straight and ask your questions. You can as well screenshot any question you are unable to answer. We will do justice to it. Happy watching.